Every woman has been there. You find a wig online, the picture looks flawless, silky, full, luxurious. It arrives at your door, and the reality? Well, it's a little different. But here's what the wig industry doesn't want you to know. The difference between a cheap wig and an expensive-looking one isn't always about the price tag. It's about what you do with it. Cheap wigs, typically those under $20, come with a handful of telltale signs. The hair is too shiny. The hairline looks like a wall. The texture is stiff and synthetic. And the style? Frozen in time, straight out of the bag. But here's the truth. With the right techniques, the right products, and a little patience, that same $15 wig can fool a room full of people. We're going to show you exactly how. Step 1, and this might be the single most important thing you'll do today, kill that synthetic shine. The #1 giveaway of a cheap wig is the unnatural gloss. Real human hair doesn't reflect light like a mirror. Synthetic fibers do. So how do you fix it? Dry shampoo is your best friend here. Spray it generously all over the wig, work it in with your fingers, and watch that plastic shine disappear in seconds. No dry shampoo? Baby powder works just as well. Just shake a little into your hands, rub them together, and run them through the fibers. Immediately, the wig looks softer, more human, more expensive. Now, let's talk about the hairline, the thing that breaks the illusion more than anything else. A real scalp is not a straight line. It has texture, irregularity, tiny little hairs that grow in different directions. A cheap wig has none of that, but we can create it. First, pluck or cut. Using a pair of small scissors or tweezers, begin removing hairs from the very front of the hairline in a random, uneven pattern. You're not trying to thin it dramatically, just breaking that hard theatrical line. Next, take an eyeshadow that matches your scalp tone and dust it lightly along the part and the hairline. This creates the illusion of depth, like you're actually seeing a scalp underneath the hair. And then, baby hairs. Take a soft toothbrush, a little edge control, and lay down small, wispy strands along the front edge. Swoop them in a natural C shape or S pattern. This one step alone adds years of credibility to even the cheapest wig. Here's another secret. Nobody leaves a salon with perfectly straight, unbounced hair. Real hair has movement, it has life. And a wig straight out of a packet, it has neither. Now, if your wig is synthetic, be very careful with heat. Most budget synthetic wigs are not heat-resistant, and using a flat iron on them will literally melt the fibers. Always check the label first. For synthetic wigs, flexi rods are a game changer. Wrap small sections of the wig around the rods, dip them briefly in hot water, not boiling, and let them set. Once dry, remove the rods and you have beautiful, bouncy, natural-looking curls or waves, no heat damage required. If your wig is heat-resistant or human hair, a light curl with a wand or flat iron creates movement that screams money. Don't style it too perfectly. Imperfection is what makes hair look real. You can do everything right with the wig itself, but if the installation is off, it all falls apart. Step 1. Your natural hair. Braid it flat, or if it's shorter, simply lay it down with a wig cap. A nude or skin-toned wig cap that matches your complexion makes the hairline illusion far more convincing than a black cap peeking through. Once the wig is on, apply a small amount of Got2b glued gel or any stronghold gel along the perimeter of the hairline. Press a silk scarf or stocking cap tightly over the edges and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. When you remove it, the hairline is melted, laid, flawless. And just like that, there is no wig, there's just hair. The final step is what separates a good result from a great one: finishing. A tiny drop of hair serum or even a little coconut oil rubbed between your palms and smoothed lightly over the wig adds a subtle, healthy sheen. Not the plastic shine we started with, but a natural glow that says this hair is moisturized and alive. And when you're done for the day, protect it. Wrap your wig in a satin scarf or store it in a silk bag. Cheap wigs tangle and deteriorate fast because most people treat them carelessly. A little maintenance extends the life of a $15 wig to weeks, sometimes months. One last thing, a light trim. Even just dusting the ends of the wig makes it look intentional and fresh. Blunt, heavy ends are a giveaway. Light, tapered ends read as expensive. What started as a $15 wig from the internet is now something completely different, not because we spent more money, but because we understood that the secret to an expensive look has never really been about price. It's about the shine you remove, the hairline you build, the texture you create, the installation you perfect, and the care you give. Luxury is a skill, and now you have it.